Hey everyone! Today I've got some exciting news for all the tech enthusiasts out there. The much anticipated OnePlus 13 is officially making its way to Canada this January 2025. Let's dive right into what you can expect from this latest flagship from OnePlus. First off, let's talk about the release and availability. The OnePlus 13 was initially launched in China, and now it's gearing up for a global release, including right here in the US and Canada. Mark your calendars, because this is one launch you don't want to miss. You'll have three stunning color options: Midnight Ocean, Black Eclipse, and Arctic Dawn. Each color brings its own unique vibe, but the Midnight Ocean variant takes it up a notch with its microfiber vegan leather finish, luxurious and eco-friendly, plus it's got an impressive IP68 plus IP69 rating, making it super resistant to dust and water. Now, onto the specs and features. The OnePlus 13 is packing some serious hardware. At its core, you've got the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, promising top-notch performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. And let's talk battery, a massive 6000 mAh that's going to keep you powered all day long. No more worrying about running out of juice. Photography buffs, you're in for a treat. The OnePlus 13 features a triple camera array, each equipped with 50MP Sony sensors enhanced by Hasselblad's imaging algorithms. Whether you're capturing landscapes or portraits, expect your photos to be nothing short of stunning. And for the display, you've got a large 6.82-inch 2K OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means vibrant colors and super smooth scrolling for a truly immersive experience. Running on the latest Android OS with OnePlus's Oxygen OS, you can enjoy a near-stock Android experience with added customization options. OnePlus has really refined the software to be clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. Alright, let's get into the pricing and competition. While the official global pricing is still under wraps, it's expected to be between $699 and $799 in the US. In China, it starts at around 4,499 yuan, which is roughly $632. With these impressive specs at a competitive price, the OnePlus 13 is set to go head-to-head with other flagship smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the iPhone 16, and the Google Pixel 9. So, if you're looking for a premium smartphone experience without the premium price tag, the OnePlus 13 should definitely be on your radar. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release date. Thanks for watching.